Have you ever wondered exactly what opioids are or considered the potential dangers they present? Perhaps you or someone you know has been prescribed these potent painkillers, and you're curious about the alternatives that might be available. Opioids are a class of drugs that include the illegal drug heroin, synthetic opioids such as fentanyl, and pain relievers available legally by prescription, such as oxycodone, hydrocodone, codeine, morphine, and many others. They work in the brain to produce a variety of effects, including the relief of pain. While they can be effective in managing severe pain, especially in the short term, they come with substantial risks, including addiction and overdose. Now you might be wondering, why are opioids dangerous? Well, opioids can be highly addictive, and overuse can result in overdose and death. They affect the part of the brain that regulates breathing, and high doses can slow or stop breathing entirely. What's more, the body can build a tolerance to opioids over time, meaning higher and higher doses are needed to achieve the same effect, increasing the risk of overdose. When it comes to chronic pain, opioids might not be the best solution. They can often mask the pain rather than treating its source. Over time, the body can become dependent on opioids, leading to withdrawal symptoms when the drugs are stopped. This can make it difficult for people to quit taking them, leading to a cycle of addiction. So, what can be done? It's crucial to understand that there are alternatives to opioids for managing pain. Non-opioid treatments, including physical therapies, cognitive behavioral therapy, and other medications, can often be effective in managing chronic pain. If you or someone you know is struggling with chronic pain and is currently taking opioids, it might be worth exploring these alternatives. Remember, it's always a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional before making any changes to your medication regimen. They can provide guidance and help you understand the potential benefits and risks of different treatment options. The world of pain management is complex, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. But by educating ourselves about the dangers of opioids and the alternatives available, we can take a proactive step towards better health. Knowledge is power, after all. Remember, it's your health, and you have the right to be informed and make choices that are best for you. Don't hesitate to seek out more information, ask questions, and engage in open conversations with your healthcare provider about non-opioid alternatives. You are not alone in this journey, and there are resources and support available to help you navigate it.